chance. Girl, put your faith in me, even though we just...
I feel like I'm in an episode of America's Next Top Model, Asian style. So we wanted to prove to you that you don't need aesthetically beautiful locations to take great photos. All you need is skill and creativity, and put those two to the test. So in this video, we are going to be combining the ugly location challenge with the dollar store challenge, because why not? So this video was inspired by Tess Christine and Aspen Ovard, who did this challenge and totally killed it. I'm going to link their videos down below if you want to go watch theirs. Flew from San Francisco to LA to do this challenge with my photographer friend Aditi. If you guys enjoy my photography hack series and want me to make more videos like this, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and also click the red button to subscribe if you're new so you never miss out on any of my videos. So without further ado, let's get started!
So I went to the dollar store, picked up some props for Ali to use for today's video. So I have all the props labeled by numbers and the numbers in this bag for her to choose from. And we're gonna see what prop goes with each location. So.
Ooh. I kind of have a sense of which locations we're going to have, so cross my fingers, we're going to get something good. We went to a total of 5 locations, the first one being a school dorm laundromat.
Number 1.
5. I decided to film this video on a Sunday when everyone was doing laundry. With the super plain and white background of the laundromat, I decided to wear a more colorful top. I wore my rainbow Madewell top to add a pop of color, and my mom jeans to add a casual vibe. Overall, I think this photo turned out super well. I do feel that it's a little bit plain and you can't really tell I'm at a laundromat. I really wish I was able to sit in a laundry cart. I give this photo a 9 out of 10. So now we're at our second ugly location, which is a parking lot. So we decided to go to the top of the parking lot, to the rooftop, and we're just kind of scouting around locations right now. We even tried to do a picnic on the top of the parking lot. I've actually done several editorial photo shoots on top of the parking lot before. Don't ask me why, but I have. I just find that the lighting is generally very nice. Sometimes you could find a nice view. I felt like this turned out a little bit too cheesy because the hand railing was too plain with just, you know, a cement backing. This is probably my second to least favorite photo. I give this photo a 4 out of 10. We decided to scrap the picnic idea because we couldn't really find a shady spot up here. Alright, go ahead. Let's see. Oh, okay. Should I rip them apart?
No. Oh my god.
And I spotted this wall over there that's kind of cute. It matches my outfit with the red stripe. I felt super determined to make this location work, but it was so sunny. The prop that I ended up choosing for this location was the lace doily, and since the sun was just so strong on my face, it was casting shadows that were too harsh. This was probably one of my least favorite locations. However, we did find this wall on the top of the parking lot that matched really well with my outfit. The next location we went to was Target. So I really wanted to try taking a photo in a grocery store or just a regular traditional store. Alrighty, let's see what we get. Ooh, number 6. I mean, I love Target, but this was so incredibly stressful for me. I went to the grocery section of Target and I was standing by the fruit, just did not look right. I had my basket in my hand, I was holding a banana like a telephone. So far we've gone through the grocery section in Target, and now we're going to try this dressing room because it's been quite a struggle to find a good spot in here. I feel really uncomfortable. I wanted to be as discreet as possible, you know, get in, take my picture, and leave. It caused me so much anxiety because there were tons of people walking around the store, and location number 4 was a construction site. So there's this new condo being built here in downtown LA, so I thought This area kind of matches my outfit. Why not try to take a stab and take some cute photos here with some confetti from some balloons that we got from the dollar store. I decided to take the confetti out of the balloon and to just kind of throw it in the air, but we really struggled because it was super windy that day. There were people walking by, so I was feeling very uncomfortable. Look at every single angle of the place that you're shooting. So whether it's up, down, side, left, right, you know, the whole picture, be sure to look around before you start shooting. So we noticed this really cool scaffolding up on the top, and we thought it would look really cool with the balloons to frame the shot. I loved how the lines reminded me of a merry-go-round, and it just added a nice whimsical look to the photo. And I think this was one of my favorite photos of the entire set. Ugly is definitely in the eye of the beholder, and for the last and final location, we stumbled across this ugly couch. We're going to try shooting in front of this ugly couch, a couch with way too many patterns and a really bright color. So I'm going to be taking some oranges and seeing if I can take a cute picture. I've been really into citrus fruits lately, especially for the spring and summertime. I love oranges, and I've been really wanting to take a cute fruit photo, so give it up. I just need an excuse to lay down, okay, on this comfy couch with 2 oranges. I feel like I'm going crazy, guys. And I wore my yellow dress, and then I had my citrus fruits, and I thought it'd be really playful and fun. So we just finished the ugly location challenge. That was really, really hard. Of all of the locations that we went to, which one was your favorite?
Honestly, I think the construction site wasn't bad. Like,
Yeah.
the scaffolding kind of helped us out a little bit.
Oh, right. I like the laundry room because the bubbles and the confetti, just because these are props that I would generally use in my photos anyways. So what are your thoughts? How do you think I did on this challenge? Which photo was your favorite? Comment that down below. Be sure to rank my photos down below. I think my favorite has to have been the construction site, just because it was so unconventional and so out of my comfort zone. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. My username is Fashion by Ali. We are so close to 50K, so I would love it if you followed me there. It would seriously make my day, because I constantly do giveaways all the time. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.